Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Infinite Hours. So the effect is requested by someone which I am going to explain in this video. Kindly watch the full video to understand the process. वीडियो को स्किप मत करिए, एंड तक देखिए. ये प्रोसेस एकदम इजी है और ये इफेक्ट्स आप आसानी से सीख सकते हैं. So friends, let me start with some name. You can press T and click here and type something. Say transform. You can type whatever name you like, even anyone's name also. Then press enter. Press V to move and place it anywhere you like. Then come to the layer, right click on it and convert it into a smart object. Then press Ctrl T, right click on it and select perspective. Come to the corner node and simply push it inside. Then again right click on it. This time select distort. Come to the top node and slightly push it down. So once you are happy with your shape, just press enter. Now press Ctrl J to make it a copy. Then press Ctrl T and move it little up. Once you place your text, again right click on it and select perspective again. Come to the corner node. This time make it little outside. Again right click on it and select distort and make it little straight. Once you are happy, press enter. Again press Ctrl J. Press Ctrl T, move it, place it, again apply perspective, just a little outside, distort, make it straight. So apply the same unless you get your effects or page ready. So once you are done, just come to the first layer, select on it and double click over it. Then this layer style menu will appear. Here you have to select the gradient overlay. Once you select, you will see the effect is automatically affecting in this text. So if you want to manipulate, just click over here and you can play with the color and its position. If you want to change the color, you also can change the color like that. So I am happy with the white one, so I'm not using any one, I'm just cancelling it. Second thing, you also can play the this gradient effect by using the scale option. So I'm just keeping it 100 only. Here you can check the preview how it is affecting. So once you are happy, just press OK. Now right click over the layer and select the copy layer style. Shift and select all your layer, right click on it and apply the paste layer style, so that all the gradient effect will automatically apply to all the layers. Now select all the layer and press Ctrl J to make it a copy. Now with the selected layers, right click on it and make it into a smart object. Now press Ctrl T, right click on it and select the flip vertical and simply place it wherever you like. Once you are happy with your size, just press enter. So this is a really cool and effective way to make this kind of effect. You can apply different text, color and play around with it. So friends, आपको ये वीडियो कैसे लगा कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए. I hope now you learned the process. It's very simple and easy, right? So you always can experiment with it and create many different kind of stuffs. And I also have many Photoshop related tutorials in my channel. You can visit my Photoshop playlist and watch over all the videos to learn. For now I am not able to make Photoshop tutorials like every day because I do not have a proper setup here. So if you have any problems, issues or any queries, you can reach out with me through Instagram or Facebook. The links you will get in my description. So I'll try to make small videos like this and try to solve your problem. And one more thing, I also have my art group. It's an international art group. So if you are an artist, designer and creative person and posting your artworks in many different groups, you also can join my art group and post your artworks or whatever skills you have anytime, any day. And lastly, if you are new to my channel, watching my videos for the first time, you always can subscribe to my channel and get connected with me and also can support my channel. So someday I can have my own setup and I can make different kind of videos, tutorials and try to help you out. So that's all for now in this video. I hope to see you in another video. Until then, take care and be safe.